Okay, the next make a body part. Row 1 make 21 chains, and then make single crochet 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Row 2 make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last stitch make 3 single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then turn. Next, make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and the last stitch make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, make slip stitch. Row 3 make 2 single crochet. Next stitch make 2 single crochet again, and then make single crochet 1, 2, change color, the dark brown yarn, make single crochet, change color again, the light brown, change color again, change color again, change color again, change color, the light brown yarn, then make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then next stitch make 2 single crochet, next stitch make 2 single crochet, single crochet, next stitch make 2 single crochet, next stitch make 2 single crochet, then make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Change color, the dark brown yarn, change color again, change color, change color again, change color again, change color, make single crochet 1, 2, 3, then make 2 single crochet, next stitch make 2 single crochet, and the last stitch make single crochet. Row 4, make single crochet using the light brown yarn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change color, change color again, light brown yarn, change color again, change color again, light brown yarn, change color again, change color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Change color, dark brown yarn, change color again, change color, change color again, change color, change color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row 5, we will replay like row 4. Make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 single crochet using the light brown, dark brown, light brown, dark brown, light brown, dark brown, and then make 27 single crochet using the light brown and change color, dark, light, dark, light, dark, and light. Make single crochet, 8 single crochet. Row 6, make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change color. Change color again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Change color, the dark brown yarn, change color again, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Replay again for row 7. Okay, I finished row 7, and then for row 8 to row 10, we just make single crochet every stitches. Cut the dark brown yarn. Make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 51 single crochet for total. Follow until row 10. Row 11, make decrease 2 times, 1, 2, then next stitch make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then make decrease 2 times, 1, 2, next stitch make single crochet, next stitch make decrease, next stitch decrease again, and next stitch make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then make decrease 2 times, make decrease again, and the last stitch make single crochet. For row 12 to row 14, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow until row 14. We will have 43 single crochet for total. Okay, I finished until row 14 and cut yarn. Then close by hand. Take the front loop, then take the and don't forget for fill the fiber fill before you close the body. Next, make legs. The first row, make 6 single crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 6 single crochet for total. Row 3, make 2 single make single crochet 2 times, and then next 2 single crochet 2 times, and then next stitch 2 single crochet. We will have 8 single crochet for total. Row 4, make single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then next stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochet. We will have 10 single crochet for total. Row 5, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 10 single crochet for total. Row 6, make single crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 single crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 single crochet. We will have 12 single crochet for total. Make 4 legs. Okay, we will sew head and body. Don't forget always using pin when you sew every part of part amigurumi, so you will easy for sew. Don't feel fiber for ears. Legs use fiber fill. Six single crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 2, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 6 single crochet for total. Change color. Row 3, 3 to row 4, make single crochet. Every stitches we will have 6 single crochet for the dark brown yarn. Row 5 to row 6, change color, light brown yarn. We will have 6 single crochet for total. 7 to row 8, change color, dark brown yarn. We will have 6 single crochet for total. Row 9 to row 12, change color, light brown yarn. Make single crochet again. Every stitches will have 6 single crochet for total using light brown yarn. Row 13 to row 14, using the dark brown yarn. Make single crochet every stitches. We'll have 6 single crochet for total. Follow until row 14. Row 15, change color. Row 15 to 18, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 6 single crochet for total. Row 19 to row 20, dark brown yarn. Make single crochet every stitches. We will have 6 single crochet for total. Follow until row 20. 21, change color, light brown yarn. Make single crochet every stitches. Row 21 to row 24, we'll have 6 single crochet for total. Okay, I finished for my tail, and then we will sew. Then fill fiber. We'll sew. Okay, finish for make cat amigurumi. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next my another tutorial.